Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon.
Hello friends, we are going to discuss mood disorders today, which are a type of a behavioral disorder. Identifying the genetic and environmental influence on mood disorders is challenging because mood changes may appear to be extreme of the normal behaviors. Our everyday life is a roller coaster of the emotions. At one time, we feel ourselves at the top of the world because of the high profile emotions, because of the promotion and awesome grades on the test. But on the other day, you may feel down in the dumps due to the relationship problems, financial troubles, and these are the normal fluctuations on the mood that come and go on everyday basis. When your mood start to have an impact on your daily activities, your social interactions, your education and your relationships, so you may have some mood disorders. Mood disorders are characterized by serious changes in the mood that cause disruption of the life activities. Mood disorders are divided mainly into three types that include major depressive disorders, mania, and the bipolar disease. Number one is the depression. A depression can lead to the feeling of negativity that can affect your whole being. As a result of depression, your mood, cognitive, sleep, behavioral, whole body, and weight are affected. You are likely to experience the feeling of apathy, general discontent, loss of interest in the things that used to be pleasurable, mood swings, or overall sadness. In addition to that, you have thoughts of suicide, problem sleeping, feeling excessively irritable, socially isolated, and restlessness. Depression often affects your weight as well. You may lose interest in eating and lose a significant amount of weight or feel over hungry and put on excess weight. Major depressive disorder, that is abbreviated as MDD, is referred to as a clinical depression and is signifies a medical condition that affect many areas of our life, that is mood, behavior and the physical activities such as appetite and sleep. People who are suffering from MDD often lose interest in the activities that once are enjoyed by them and have trouble performing everyday activities. Occasionally, they may also feel as if life isn't worth living. A person who has previously been happy but suddenly becomes lethargic and sad and has no longer interest in his or her favorite activities may be diagnosed with a major depressive disorder. A person with the same symptoms in response to the death of the loved one may experience extended grief and loss, but not clinical depression. The context is important. About half of all the people who experience a depressive episode will suffer others. Half of affected individuals do not seek medical help, and among those who do, a third do not respond to the drug therapy. Those who do may relapse when they discontinue taking an effective drug. So they need psychotherapy as well. The next mood disorder is mania. Mania or manic moods are characterized by unusually high energy and the mood. Feelings of euphoria are often present. These elevated moods typically last 3 days or more for most of the day. The classic mania symptoms include talking rapidly or excessively, needing significantly less sleep than the normal, distractibility, poor judgment, impulsivity, and making reckless decisions. Bipolar disorder. Bipolar disorder is much rarer than MDD, affecting 1% of the population. In this disorder, weeks or months of depression alternate with the periods of mania when the person is hyperactive and restless and may experience a rush of ideas and excitement. Ideas may be fantastic. Bipolar disorder with hypomania may appear to be a depression. This is an important distinction between different drugs to be used for major depressive disorder and the bipolar disorder, because both of these are distinct disorders. Bipolar disorder, formerly called manic depression, is a mental health condition that causes extreme mood swings, including emotional high like mania and lows, that is depression. When you become depressed, you may feel sad or hopeless and lose interest or pleasure in most activities. When your mood shifts to the mania or hypomania, that is extreme than mania, less extreme than mania, you may feel euphoric, full of energy, or unusually irritable. These mood swings can affect sleep, energy, activity, judgment, behavior, and the ability to think clearly. Causes: mood disorders are diagnosed through both physical examinations and mental health evaluations. Treatment options: mood disorders are treated primarily through medications and psychotherapy. Even with treatment, though, it is not uncommon for mood disorders to persist throughout a lifetime or to come and go on occasion. Typically, antidepressants and anti-anxiety medications are prescribed to individuals coping with mood disorders to alleviate emotional distress.